how to fix Soulstone Survivors crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library and then you want to right click on the game if you do have it installed already. Then you want to right click on go to properties and then installed files and click verify integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish verifying and repairing files. Once done, you want to click on browse button, right click on the game's exe, go to properties and then compatibility and check both of these options right here. Click apply and OK. Now you can close this and go to general tab and specify -dx11 under launch options. Then you can close this and try to launch the game again. And that should solve the problem. But if it persists for some reason, here's what you can do as well. Now you want to open up your GPU application. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you'll most likely need NVIDIA app. Go to drivers section. Click on this arrow to check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. Now you can close the NVIDIA app and open up your browser and basically search for redist like this. Then you want to click on the first link and make sure to download and install the 86 and the 64 version of the redistributables. Once done, you will need to restart your computer and basically launch Steam again and click on play to play the game, and that should fix the crashing issues. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.